Breakfast, the most important meal of the day where we look forward to eat our favorite foods. And if you want to learn how to make dairy-free dip recipe in 5 minutes, don't go anywhere as I'm about to share an interesting recipe that you can make variations from. I'm Elizabeth, and if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to Alchemy. This vegan dip or vegan bread spread is a healthy alternative to the commercial bread spreads or dips that's available in the market. It is egg-free and oil-free. Now stay till the end cause I will share an important tip on its storage. We are making a small batch of vegan dips. This one is the base and I use different spices to make different variations from this vegan dip. The main ingredient is the cauliflower and I use couple of florets to make this vegan dip. We gotta steam them until soft and allow it to cool down. Take in a cooled cooked cauliflower and add it to blender. Next, we add in hemp seeds, which are rich in healthy fats like omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, both of which are known for reducing cholesterol. Then add in half a cup of plant-based milk, which is going to help in blending this all and to make it look like a vegan bread spread. At this point, you can add salt, and if you're planning to make a spiced version, you could add pepper as well. If you feel it's too watery, just increase the amount of cauliflower and not the hemp seeds. Cause hemp seeds are not a low-calorie food, but cauliflower is an excellent source for your fiber intake and it is low carb. Next, to give it a color, I add a pinch of turmeric powder. Feel free to add your own favorite mix like nutritional yeast or cumin or garlic powder, onion powder. Once it has reached a desired consistency, transfer to a container and chill it for further use. Do we really need to stick to a recipe or make new things in the kitchen on the go? What do you think? Type in your comments right down below. On cooling, this vegan dip tends to thicken up and looks more spreadable. Now regarding the storage for this vegan bread spread, since it has no oil or vinegar or any preservative, it's advisable that you make necessary quantity and consume it because it does not stay good past a week. If you like this video, could you smash that like button? It would make me so happy, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Also give me a click on the bell icon if you want to get notified whenever I upload. If you're wondering why did I put this over bread, it's because I love bread more than chips. And honestly, it's all about what we like to eat and not be too much restrictive when it comes to a certain diet or a certain food. And talking about vegan dips, I do have an interesting recipe on vegan sour cream, or how about scrambled eggs that does not involve an egg. And until next time, see you later.